Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey, Janelle here. What to do? Happy Monday. Today is March 4th. Hope all is well. I've had a great weekend. I hope my week is off to I pray I'm manifesting that we're all gonna have an amazing week this week. Hope all is well. I wanted to pop on real quick. You guys know, I got my girl. You know what I'm saying? Last video I did the unboxing. If you haven't seen it, go back and watch. Okay, but this time I wanted to do an unboxing of the cosmetic pouch in the demier bin. So with getting all of my accessories, prior to getting the purse, when I got the purse, I kind of felt like, oh, I need more. So I looked on the Louis Vuitton website for the cosmetic pouch, I guess in the smallest size, the PM. Don't quote me on that. But I want to swear when I was looking, it said notify me, right? So I'm like, oh my gosh, I cannot wait. I need the instant gratification of it all. So I end up going to Fashionphile. Found the baby here. And so let's just unbox her. Okay. So of course it's a ribbon. It's an orange or gold ribbon. It's a drawer here. I'm gonna tell y'all a funny story in a minute. But so I ordered the cosmetic pouch. Here it is in the dust bag, and ooh, isn't she pretty? And she's in such good condition. But so there she is. I know, so melodramatic, right? But here she is, just as pretty as she wants to be. So, like I said, I was looking on the Louis Vuitton website. I swear it said notify me. I couldn't wait. Went on Fashionphile. Found it for like literally about the same price. Swear it might have been like $5.50. And on the Louis Vuitton website it's $5.70. No lie. And so I put the first 10% down. Then the next week I put 100 on it. And then the next week I just cashed it. I was like, child, I can't wait no more. So it was like $400 for the last payment. So I thought that they had, because it said pick up. So I was like, oh, period. I'll pick it up. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I don't want it. If I'm buying something, I don't want to wait. Okay. So I was like, I'll pick it up. Child, why when I paid out and I'm just waiting on my email for them to tell me, okay, girl, come get your little house or whatever, Child, never did come. So I called. I was like, hey, let me call Fashionphile at Lennox. So called and he was like, no, it's in our Santa Monica, San Diego, California store, I believe. So they were sending it and it wouldn't be here until like Wednesday because I was going out of town to the cabins with my man. So I was like, oh, I wanted to take it with me. Child, I said all that to say, I just had to wait. So literally when I started checking back the Louis Vuitton website, it says high demand usually ships within 6 to 9 days. So said all that to say I'm kind of upset with myself because I could have just got it from the Louis Vuitton website if it was going to be the same damn price pretty much. But I'm happy she's here. She's, like I said, in great condition. She's in great condition. One thing that I, wanted to make sure of was look at the corners. Neither of the corners are missing. This is from 2020. The Louis Vuitton zipper is still pretty much gold. It's not tarnished at all. I do have it packed. I'm not gonna lie, because I'm one of them girls, honey. I have to open it, so when I say an unboxing, it's like me a re-unboxing. Because I be having to open it. But then also when I picked it up, I'll insert pictures and how it worked or whatever. When I picked it up, it wasn't, child, this is how it really came. I just happened to have another Louis Vuitton box from my from a previous SLG. But this is how it came. Depending on, this was my first purchase from Fashionphile. And so when you look at the description, sometimes it includes the dust bag. Sometimes it includes the box. Sometimes it includes neither, just the Fashionphile certification. And so since I've decided to pick up in store as opposed to having them shipped to my home, this is how it came in the Fashionphile bag. The young lady behind the desk, I had to call them a couple times because she said, okay, upstairs, Neiman Marcus. I get to Neiman Marcus. I do see a header that says Fashionphile. So I go around and I see all the other fashion houses. I see Versace. Burberry, Dolce & Gabbana, all my titties. Listen, you feel me? Like, I see all of them, and I'm like, where is it, child? It's ducked off in the back behind the corner, like some back house, Canal Street, vendor. You feel me? Like, I probably won't be ordering from Fashionphile again, I'll be honest. Just because I didn't like, bitch, give me a little luxury feeling. Yes, you are in Neiman Marcus at Lenox, okay? I get that. But, I don't know. It just kind of gave, a little sketchy. Like, why am I walking back here? Like, I got my baby with me. Like, is this safe? You feel me? But, so this is how it actually came. I just happen to have this box from another SLG. I want to say probably my wallet. So yeah, so this is how it came. She gave it to me like this. It did have a dust bag with Fashionphile on it. There, dust bag, blah, blah, blah. So I kept the tag on it because I was like, am I going to return it? I'm not going to lie. I thought about it, y'all. But I was like, that would be silly. Literally, I'm returning it to just go buy it from the store. And it's in great condition, so I may just keep it. It is pre-loved. I've never gotten, well, y'all know I thrift all the time though, so I'm trying to having to tell myself bitch, don't act like you don't know don't act like you forgot where you come from, okay? But I do have it packed. I can just empty this little stuff out, y'all. I ain't got a bit much of nothing in here. We'll do a what's in my bag soon. I wanted to get a couple of more things, so just wasn't done. But it has this pretty red interior, but it's leather though, because it's a makeup bag. And so the intention or the expectation is that you might have something that you don't want to stain, and so it's easily to wipe up. It has a pocket here. It says it was made in France. Made in France. It does have a tag here. It has a Louis Vuitton tag, textile. But then this tag here, I'm a reader. The girl like to read. I can read a little bit, So it says P.O. Cosmetic Demier Azur or D Azur. Okay, it says, I'll show you. How about that? It says P.O. Damn, it's not focusing. It says P.O. Cosme. So P.O. Cosmetic D Azur. But this is a bin. That's all I'm saying. Anyway, it says Azur and this is a bin. That's said all that to say. But I ain't tripping, I ain't tripping. I'm going to leave it there. But it's a pretty, I had a decent amount of stuff in. I guess I could have showed you what I had in it just to show you the size and what it fits. But I realized also that I didn't show the inside zipper of this one. But like I said, we'll do a what's in my bag. We'll do a what's in my bag. That's princess, Because when I'm with my man, I'm the passenger princess. But when I am driving myself, she's the princess. So that's princess, okay? Princess. Address her as princess. But it has this Fashionphile tag. It says Louis Vuitton. That does say Louis Vuitton Demier Ben Cosmetic pouch here or cosmetic here. And so it says, once you cut this off, you cannot return it. And so it says, the item has been inspected by our team of expert authenticators and is backed by our lifetime guarantee of authenticity. Okay. But it's in really good condition. It also came with this file, like Fashionphile. So I was like, oh, that's cute. A little play on words or whatever. So it says, I like my money where I can see it hanging in my closet. I want to say that's an ode to Carrie Bradshaw. I feel like... the other day I was like, girl, I was telling my man, I was like, I feel like watching Sex and the City, from start to finish. And so I'll probably do that this week. But yeah, the only thing that I will say, do you guys see how, there's a slight, I don't even want to say indentation, but because I was like, what could that be from? But it's a slight little, I don't even know if you guys can see it, but it's one piece of canvas all the way through. You have your one Louis Vuitton monogram there or stamp there, and then you turn it all the way around and it is one seamless piece. It does have the leather here on the sides, but yeah, she's so cute, y'all. And I'm not gonna lie, I was carrying this little cosmetic pouch that I got from Michael Kors when I was going through my many jobs phase, honey. I was working them jobs, okay? Bad bitch working, okay? Uh, but yeah, and so when I opened my bag up, it had everything else Louis, but that blue fucking Michael Kors was sending me. So I was like, honey, I got to get that cosmetic pouch ASAP Rocky. So I got it. Again, they're all, the purchases are so melodramatic. I feel like, oh, I can't wait till I get them. I get them and I'm just like, huh, okay, got it. But yes, this is it. I just wanted to show you. So it goes down. I'm a keep it, child. So what are scissors? Let's go on and do it now. I'm gonna keep it. I ain't gonna return it. I thought about it, but literally they said to give it back to them. I think they said they'd buy it back for $3.58. I don't know if they'd return it for the same price and just if I would just have. I don't know. See, that's what I'm saying. So I was like, you know what? I'd be doing too much. That'd be being too extra. Next time I know, Fashionphile, I appreciate. If I'm ever in there's some bags that I feel like I don't want to pay full price for, the Sinead, that is expensive. She's an expensive girl. Like, if I found something that was in excellent condition on Fashionphile, maybe we try it again. I'd probably let them mail it to my house, though. Because it was something, I'm telling y'all, it was something about going in the back of the Neiman Marcus, by the bathroom, around the corner, like down the alleyway. That was just, it was so giving, like, is it real? But yeah, so this is it. So cute. Such a cute little pouch. Is it worth it? Are any of the pieces worth it? Okay, let's be honest. But it's cute. It just goes down lovely in the Legion of Doom down in here. And so I put it down here. I want to get another bag. So it's a couple of things. Like, this is a cute little bag charm, honey, my baby picked out for me when we was at the beauty supply store. So I was like, oh, that's cute. It matches. It's gold. She's like, it's so cute, mommy. So I was like, thank you. But I have another. I'm going to review this, which is the agenda next. Or if I may upload this one first. But anyway, I love you, ladies. We'll talk soon. Have a great day. Bye. Be blessed.